How to get a refund on Temu without returning items. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on your orders option. In here, go to the Processing or Shipped tab. In the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to view all your orders. Simply tap on the Return option beside the order you want to get refund for. You can also tap on Customer Service and then select Refund or Return. You will then be asked to choose a reason for your refund request. For example, if the item is damaged or defective, or if you received wrong item, or if items are missing. You will then have to provide photo or video evidence of the issue if applicable, and then submit your refund request. Temu will review your request and issue a refund if it meets the criteria for a refund without return. So, this is how you can get a refund on Temu without returning items. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.